Hey there, GMAT aspirants. Get ready for today's GMAT video. Introducing the GMAT Focus Edition, a game changer in your journey towards your dream B school admission. Whether it's that or you're just thinking of advancing your career to the next level, mastering the GMAT Focus Edition is key. Yes, you won't believe employers do consider a great GMAT score as a direct indicator of your skills at the workplace. So time to break down the GMAT Focus Edition and figure out ways to ace it. The GMAT Focus Edition is a test that takes just 2 hours and 15 minutes to complete. That is, if you do not take the optional 10-minute break. It consists of 64 objective type questions in total. The test itself is a meticulously designed, statistically sound exam that tests your skills in 3 key areas: verbal reasoning, more popularly known as verbal; quantitative reasoning, more popularly known as quant; and data insights, also known as DI. Let's talk about the verbal reasoning section first. So, do you need to be a vocab whiz or a grammar Nazi to do well in verbal? Well, maybe it would help a bit if you are, but don't worry if you're not, because the GMAT verbal section tests your ability to evaluate complex written material, logical arguments, and not just words or grammar rules. There are 23 questions on RC and CR in verbal reasoning, and you get a total of 45 minutes to leave your mark on this section. What's next? Next up is the quantitative reasoning section, or the quant section. Are you thinking if you need to flex your pure math muscles in this section? Well, maybe you could, but it is better that if you realize that the GMAT quant section tests your ability to use your mathematical reasoning skills, your real-life problem-solving skills using 21 PS questions. So you don't have to be a math wizard to do well on GMAT quant. You get a total of 45 minutes to crack those 21 MCQs and ace the quant section. Last, but definitely not the least, the newest addition to the test, the data insight section, where you're required to deep dive into real-life business scenarios. And there's a reason why GMAT wants you to test on this section. The skills tested in the DI section, data interpretation, data analysis, critical thinking, decision making, are skills that you'll need when you work as a manager in a Fortune 500 firm. The DI section is made up of 20 questions in total, a total of 5 question types: data sufficiency, table analysis, graphics interpretation, 2-part analysis, and multi-source reasoning. You have a total of 45 minutes again to beat the heat. Now you know what the GMAT Focus Edition looks like and is made like, don't you? What you don't know are the game-changing features the makers of the GMAT have brought into the GMAT Focus Edition. Well, don't go too far, because that's exactly what we're going to address in our next video. In our next video, you will learn about the new features introduced into the GMAT Focus Edition that really make it a game changer. But for now, it's time to wrap up today's video, because that's all we had for you in today's video. Thanks for tuning in. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our videos for more GMAT insights. Click on the bell icon and get the latest notifications on all the videos related to everything GMAT.